Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to use the WhatsApp voice message transcripts. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. From chats, tap three dots on top right and tap settings. In settings, tap chats. Now scroll down and turn on voice message transcripts. Read your voice message with transcripts. Tap Choose Language. Choose English. Tap Setup now. This will start downloading necessary file for transcripts. When file downloaded, go back to chats and open any conversation. Now to check voice message transcripts, you can tap and hold on voice message, then tap three dots on top right and tap transcribe. Immediately you will see the voice message with transcribe based on your chosen language. So these are the steps to use the WhatsApp voice message transcripts. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.